All right. Well, here I am. I got a new waypoint set up. I'm going to fly it and see how it goes. I'll make this one a very quick video. The first one might have been longer, too long, but I'm going to do this one. It's got my waypoint settings. I'm going to hit go. Basically continue. The drone's going to take off. And let's go. Watch out for my doggy. It says I don't have a good satellite link for some reason. All right. I'm going to move it out. Going to move my drone a little bit out of the way. There we go. All right, let's see if it goes now. Okay. Sure it goes. And I'm going to switch to aerial view. This was a previously saved waypoint map that I had earlier. You can see that the other one I did was only going up to 50 feet. Now I'm at 100 feet. And of course, it's going to hover there for a minute. But I repositioned the camera. Now it's going to move to waypoint number 2. Now this is great. I mean, if you have to ever do a surveillance or you're into security, home security, send your drone up, you just let it follow the path. You can tell it to repeat as many times as you like. It'll just stay on that path. There it goes. Yep. It's moving about 7.5 miles per hour, 102 feet. And just following the path. I don't have to even pay any attention. Just watch it. You know, unless I want to change it. But no, it's pretty cool. Now, of course, you know, if people, your neighbors find out you're flying a drone over their house, they'll probably get upset maybe, but you know, you don't mean any harm. You're not trying to spy on anybody or anything. You're just flying your drone around the neighborhood. Now, it'd be kind of interesting if just by chance, you know, you're flying and all of a sudden you capture a car accident in action. It's like, here, I got the video. Here we go. Now it's going to return to home. Now it should come down. My dog is standing right in the way. She's going to get nailed by this drone here. All right, she's moved out of the way. And it's going to come down. Let's see how well it does this time. I know it's a very narrow hole, but you can see where the pad is. See the 4 dots? That's where the drone thinks it's going to land. Now I can move it back and see it's going off the pad. So I can pull it back a little bit, or I can cancel it. So it's off there about a foot. But I could bring it over. Yeah, I'm bringing it over a little bit. And then say okay to land. And it's going to come down. There we go. It's a little bit off. That's okay. It worked. All right, now I'm going to stop my video.